Okay, this WorkLion is a workhorse, I'm telling you. I got this about 5 years ago, and it has come in handy on so many occasions. If you are a crafter or just need some basic tools around your office space or at home or at work, highly recommend this. Very simple tool to cut paper, essentially. It can cut up to 12 sheets at a time in a very precise manner. You've got a ruler that comes out, although I never use this, and it's very safe because it works by pressure, so that knife in here that is replaceable only comes out when you exert pressure on it. So what you do is you simply, if you've never seen one of these before, you stick a sheet through here. You can align it where you want it to go. So most of the time I just put it against the edges here and press down, cut. You can cut it a few times, and there you go. Very nice. So it's not perfect. Where this thing falls flat, I think for me, is just in two places. First of all, it's very difficult to get a precise cutting if you want to just go from the line. So for example, if I wanted to trim off an extra piece, it's very difficult to get that precise line in here because there's a wide setting here and there's no cliff. Whereas if you get like a press down paper cutter, which is a lot more dangerous to have, those are, I guess, easier to go through thicker items, and that's the other thing. You can only get about a dozen sheets at a time, and then you're going to have to, reduce the amount you put in here because it's not a heavy-duty machine. This is not metal. These are all plastic parts aside from the blade. So, you get what you're paying for with the price here. Very good value for money, though. It's been good to me. But yeah, as I was saying, if you want to be more precise and you're cutting something like, for example, sticker labels. So for example, I've been cutting these sticker labels up for use on my perfume bottles. I make homemade perfume, and I have found it pretty close to impossible to get the precise cuts that I want because I don't have the lines here, and also because this paper is a little thicker. Because if you're pressing down on the paper and it's thick, if you start from the end and go like this, you're going to have your sticker paper bunch up. So if you are cutting thicker materials using this device, you want to press down from the middle and push out, press down from the middle and push out, and then you're not going to make any papers bunch that way, hopefully. So, it's not an industrial level machine. It is a very low price point, and it does what it says it's going to do. Recommend.